Welcome to the second session of Management Accounting of 5th semester BBA, Bangalore University. In this session, we are going to discuss what are the objectives of management accounting. Recap of previous class. In the first session, we discussed Introduction to Management Accounting and meaning definitions of management accounting. Objectives of management accounting. The first one, aid of planning and policy formulation. The second one, effective controlling performance. The third one, helpful in organizing. The fourth one, financial analysis and interpretation. The fifth one, motivating employees. The sixth one, helpful in making decisions. The seventh one, reporting to management. The eighth one, helpful in coordination. The ninth one, presentation of data. Last but not the least, communication of management policies. Let's briefly discuss the objective of management accounting. Aid of planning and policy formulation. Management accounting is helpful to the management in the process of planning through the techniques of budgetary control and standard costing. Forecasting is extensively used in preparing budget and setting standards. Effective controlling performance. Standard costing and budgetary control are integral part of management accounting. These techniques lay down targets, compare actuals with standards and budgets to evaluate the performance and control the deviations. Management accounting helpful in organizing. Organizing is concerned with establishment of relationships among different individuals in the firm. It includes delegation of authority and fixing responsibility. Management accounting aims at aiding the management in organizing through establishment of cost centers, profit centers, responsibility centers, budget preparation, etc. All these activities are helpful in setting up an effective organizational framework. Financial analysis and interpretation. Management accounting helps in strategic decision making. Top managerial executives may lack technical knowledge. For example, there are various alternatives to produce. There is always a choice for the sales mix. Motivating employees. Budgets, standards, and other programmers are to be implemented in practice by the employees. A major objective of management accounting is to determine the targets in the form of budgets, standards, and programmer in such a way that the employees feel motivated to achieve them. This is usually accomplished by making the targets practicable and offering suitable monetary and non-monetary incentives to achieve them. It is very helps in decision making. Management accounting provides comparative data for analysis and interpretation for effective decision making and policy formulation. Reporting to management. Reporting is an important function of management accounting to achieve the targets. The reports are presented in the form of graphs, diagrams, and other statistical techniques so as to make them easily understandable. These reports may be monthly, quarterly, and half-yearly. These reports are helpful in giving constant review of the working of the business. Helpful in coordination. The targets of different departments are communicated to them and their performance is reported to the management from time to time. This continual reporting helps the management in coordinating various activities to improve the overall performance. Presentation of data. Traditional profit and loss account and the balance sheet are not analytical for decision making. That's why management accounting modifies and rearranges data as per the requirements for decision making through various techniques. Communication of management policies. Management accounting conveys the policies of the management downward to the personnel effectively for proper implementation. Thank you. Have a nice day.